Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Logitech G935 mic not working. If your Logitech mic not working, then we'll need to follow some steps. Here you will see when people says that on my Pro X headset my mic won't working until I realize that you have to really push the code into the headset. There is a first click and then a second click. Not sure if this is the same situation for the G935, but definitely give it a try. So this is the first thing you need to consider. And these are the possible fixes related to your problem. First, update the firmware. Second, test without LGS/G-Hub. Third, use 3.5 mm wired connection. Fourth, reconnect headset to USB wireless mix adapter. Fifth, perform a hardware reset. Sixth, test with another computer if possible. Connect the USB wireless mix adapter to a powered USB port on the PC on the game console. Insert a needle into the reset opening A to start a pairing mode. The LED on the adapter flashes to indicate pairing mode. As soon as the LED starts to flash, you can remove the needle from the reset opening on the adapter. Switch on the headset. Press and hold the mute button on the microphone for 15 seconds. The G logo on the headset flashes to indicate pairing mode. The G logo will be solid and then revert to their selected color when pairing is complete. So you have another option to consider these steps. And here you will see the another people says that I turn off noise removal. So this is the third thing you need to try. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.